I don't know. Whatever. Here's what's important though. Check this out. You got this wedge right here. But it opens up the day, and then it like just goes up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And like there's like no way to like figure out where it's gonna go when it does that. I mean, it's just really, really volatile with no real movement. So I don't think that's gonna be a trade that we should make. This looks really good though. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't have any day trades. LLIT. All right, wait, real quick. I gotta freaking. Oh, this is so good. LLIT. I have to. The thing stops working if I close the program. I'll be right back. Okay, sweet. LLIT. Guys, so, but like, I had to switch accounts, but this is a really, really, really great red, green, red candlestick setup on the 1 minute chart. If you look at this right here, red, green, red, or green, red, green, this candle needs to close above like 286 in the next. Oh no! This candle needs to close way higher. It's not going to work. But if it does work and it breaks to VWAP, this could go to like 3.7 based off of long-term resistances. So let's see. Where's the daily? Where's the daily? Here's the daily. LLIT. LLIT. Bam. I think target on this trade's like probably there, and then aggressively, say right here. It's got to break VWAP. As soon as it breaks VWAP, though, this looks really, 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 really good. Entry points at like $3, so we'll do what, like 120 shares? I don't know what. Sweet. I don't know why this is so big. LLIT. This candle right here needs to close higher. It like just close above VWAP, and we'll make a bunch of money. Safety, tap, that's the back of time that we can find. But if it stays below VWAP, then it's not gonna go anywhere. So. 500,000. Yeah, usually want up to 500,000 by like 9:45. Depends on how many stocks there are, but it works well. Dude, that's a freaking red, green, red setup. Look at that short. Holy crap. Oh man, I can't short in either of these accounts, but oh, if I could, dude. One day. Also, I really, really like, oh my god, like the VIX is gonna go to like 20. Like, I just want to buy VIX calls. I don't know how to buy VIX calls. It's a very difficult process. I gotta figure it out. I'd make a lot of money if I could. I can. I just have to figure it out. That's it. Whoa, look at that. This stock went up like 15% in like 5 minutes. Wow. Is there anything to like trade here? Like honestly, I don't know. That's a tough setup to predict right there. Like you just don't know what it's gonna do next. Cause it could kind of top here, or it could top here, or it could top higher, and you just don't know. This is a really nice inverted hammer candle right here though. So if we can see like this candle, the next candle close green, like this candle right here close green above like 287, and then hit VWAP, close above VWAP, or just hit 289, 290. I think we'll get in this trade stop loss at 283, 282. We'll call it 282. That should give us about a 4-to-1, 5-to-1 ratio if we get in before VWAP crossover, which is ballsy. So I don't know if we will, because that's risky, but it can work out really, really well, especially with a solid inverted hammer candle. Closer to danger. Jeez. Oh wow. This is LLIT. Yeah. All it's got to do is cross. And as soon as it crosses, we are in golden zone. See if it can do it. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Alright, it's at 297. That's pretty damn good. The only other thing is CBLI, which already traded. That's way too expensive. How'd that even get on the screen? I don't know. I don't think it matters. Alright, let's make sure this is working. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Okay, cool. It's totally not working. Why is it not working? What the heck, man? Oh, I didn't restart the freaking program. Holy crap! I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't restart the program. Crap. That's my fault. I'm sorry. Okay. Maybe this will work. Maybe it won't work. I don't really care if it works. I'm more interested in trading stocks. It looks like it's working. I don't freaking care. Okay, look, this is what we were talking about earlier with the green, red, green setup, but then they reversed it, but now it's going back up, and you have the inverted hammer candle right here, and basically, since you guys didn't see anything of what I just talked about for the last 15 minutes, like, that's basically all you need to know. If they cross VWAP and they break through and they close above it, right here, right now, close of the candle in 25 seconds, above 294, we'll get in. Stop loss on this trade is at 286, 286, 286. Risk about 8 cents. We're looking at about 30 cents of upside. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, great. Fill that shit, dude. And we can increment stops and stuff. After a couple of minutes, we'll do 40 and then 3 of 40. And that should work well. So we'll increment, we'll increment, we'll increment. Yeah. We'll increment. We should be able to hold this at least until 230, 328. Ideally, we should get to 246. And, yeah. So I'm gonna up stop to BE, break even. Ideally this wouldn't go back below $3, so we'll up one to there. I'm gonna put a sell order at 27. Hopefully. Oh fuck yeah! See that right there? High of the candle. We'll see if it breaks up into this range. If it doesn't, stop loss. We'll see if we can sell another lot at 27. If we can't, oh dude, don't you do that. We'll see what it does. We'll give it a couple candles. If it reverses, oh yeah, that's shit. You don't want it to go lower than this. This could do a green, red, green, which is really good. So you just have to see how this candle closes and adjust your stop losses accordingly. All right, come on. All right, fuck, yes. Okay, great, 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 great. Stop. One of the stops goes to 3.9, 3.10. Oh, I got stopped out on that one. Oh, it's okay. This candle's got 40 seconds to close green. Will it do it? 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 30 seconds to close green. Will it do it? That is a tight stop loss if I've ever seen one, dude. That is ridiculously close. Oh my gosh. 20 seconds. Will it do it? No, it won't do it. Okay. Cool. So our average sell... Oop, sorry. Our average sell price was 2 lots here, 1 lot here. So probably at about 0.321. And you can check the math on that. But I think that's about 0.32... Yeah, 2 at 310, 1 at 327. That averages to about 0.32 up here. So it's pretty damn good. I was hoping one would go here. Didn't really go that high. But hey, you know what? I'm pretty happy with that. We definitely lost like 25 bucks on last trade. We made 25 bucks on this trade. So, I mean, it's a net 0. It's about 8% each time. Fucking insane sell at 327 up here though. I couldn't believe that. That was insane. Sometimes you can, I probably should have sold 2/3 there. The aggressive target, like usually what I like to do is I sell 2/3 at my conservative target and then hold the other third and see if it goes to the aggressive target. And if it freaking goes through it right now, I would be so impressed with this stock. Usually after a big doji candle, hammer candle like this, where it's got like giant wicks, it hits a tie for the day, unless the next candle closes green, which it didn't. So I don't know. We'll see. 2 red candles is usually bad, but we'll see, dude. It could keep going right here, right now. See if it goes. I'll leave that up over here. I'm gonna look for other stocks. I still have another day trade. Mostly, I just want to see what Shopify is doing, because I want to buy end of expiration calls if they break VWAP at 10 o'clock, which it looks like they could do. Oh my gosh, look at that! Dude, they did it. Oh, they did it. Oh my god, they did it! Yeah, I don't know. Like, you've got to adjust your stop loss at some point. Oh, so good. But I guess I could have sold another lot up here. Alright, we'll give this 5 minutes, see how it plays out. I'm not going to focus too much on it. I could trade it again because I made money on it. So, but I mean, this was the setup right here, was the VWAP breakthrough. So. This is a nice wedge. This could work out kind of well. Let's map this out. And let's get a price target on this trade. What is it? ADXS. Alright, I like this. This is really nice stock. Look at that little like curve. That looks so freaking insanely hot. That's really nice. I think target on this trade is 1.3, which is up 40%. That's kind of aggressive. So I'll put another target like 110, which is still kind of aggressive, but I think it's pretty reasonable. It's like way up there. Conservative target, we'll call it, okay, that's not his target. We'll call it 99 cents conservatively. This looks good though. What is this? $100, 300 shares on a ADXS. I'll leave that there. I won't shop over here. ADXS, 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 ADXS. I'm telling you guys, I can't remember tickers for the life of me. This isn't the best setup right here, but if it breaks through the wedge and it goes to 94 cents, we'll buy. Stop loss at 92, risking 2 cents to make 7. Yeah, so here's LIST, and I can pretty much guarantee you guys it'll just go down from this. Looks like an M top or something, but basically it wasn't able to break through this resistance level. So, like, there's no guarantee that it's gonna have a bounce here, and there's no guarantee that it's gonna hit the high twice. So you gotta be selling, you know, quick. ADXS, all right, sweet, I love it. 300 shares. It's gotta stay. I mean, it's gotta hit like 94. And then, you know, power. So we'll see what it does. See what it does. It's not like an extremely. I mean, yesterday this was an 80-cent stock, 70-cent stock. So I want you guys to keep this in perspective. Our biggest resistance is going to be at 95 cents, which is a freaking scary resistance point. Like, I don't like that at all. If I had to, like, on a scale of, like, me liking things to not liking things, like, I don't like this resistance level right here. Move that body, we like to, 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 we body, body, body. Alright, let's see what it does. I'm gonna do a 2 green candle, I need 2 of them. I need 2 green candles for this trade, just because it's a little bit riskier and it does have that resistance level at 95. So I want to see 2 green candles to confirm it. Also, I only have 1 day trade left, and I want to use it on Shopify if they break VWAP. So, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. That's about a 25% trade. So, we'll see. Got 4 minutes to break out, and I'm done with it. Here it goes, right now. It's either now or never. This is a tight trade, so you've only got like 5 cents of trading range here, since that's about 5%. So using join the bid, join the ask is kind of risky, because like the bid is the ask. If you look at the time of sales on ADXOs, you're gonna see basically a lot of people are trading in fractional shares, fractional pennies. I don't know if I can do that unless I push this plus button, maybe. I don't know if I can trade in fractional shares. Like, it'll let me zoom out, but I don't know if it'll let me zoom in anymore. Yeah. I don't really know how to send orders for fractional shares. At least not with TD. So, yeah. Alright, this doesn't look like it's going anywhere, so I'm going to put it on the back burner. And I'm going to go over to Shopify because they just hit VWAP. Yeah, that's going down. But I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll put it over here for you guys. I also want to sell this position, so hopefully somebody will sell this. I think. All right, I got 10 seconds to make this trade because I literally don't have time. What are they at? Yeah, fuck yeah. Let's get out of this. 0.02. Sell, confirm, send 25 CX credit. Okay. Shop. Today's expiration. What are we looking at on strike prices here? I need a real chart over here. Give me a real chart. Alright, 478 January 31st calls. Give me all the strikes. What the hell are you doing? Give me all the strikes. 478 calls. They don't exist. I can't really afford 477 calls. At least not in this account. Shit. What are they gonna hit? They're gonna hit 481. Okay, this is a $900 trade. I don't think I can do that. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Oh, why are these so expensive? Probably because they're a $400 stock. Damn. Yeah, they're not going to 500 bucks in the next 8 hours. Unless they're magic. Oh, these are February's. Why are these February's? I want January's. Alright. See, target's like 481. Alright, this is much more like it. That's what I was looking for. Yeah. Okay. Cool. We should do 480s. We want to do 480s. If the next candle closes green, we'll buy 480 calls at 240. 235. 235 is pretty reasonable. That was the last trade. We'll see if we can get best limit. We'll do, what are we doing? One contract is all I think this account can handle. 447 required. 240 BP effective. Why is my BP so low? This should be 240, right? Yeah. Okay, we can do that. Okay, we're good. 235 looks pretty aggressive, considering that these are at 220. But this is a really wide spread, dude. That's a 40% spread. Come on. All right, last transaction was at 220. I'll bet 225. If this candle closes green above right here, it's got to close green above right there. 20 seconds. Can it do it? Oh no, I don't think it's gonna do it. Oh, 4 seconds. I don't think it did it. Yeah, I didn't do it. Dang, it didn't do it. I can buy puts. What is this gonna go to? If I go down to like 474, 475 puts are $2. That's kind of not a good deal. Yeah. Let's go back to the screener. All I see is you. Like I said, this took a shit. I would short it, but I can't. So yeah. Oh, dude, that's an insane breakthrough. AVXRT, $1, 300 shares. Holy crap! Target on this trade's 110. If I can get filled at 1.3, I'll set a stop at 1.1. 1.332. Oh shit! What happened? What'd I do? What happened? Why can't I trade this stock? Minimum trade increments are 1 penny. Why are you letting me trade if it's not in the minimum trade increment? The minimum price... Dude, this is so weird. Okay, there you go. Okay, great. Oh my god. Ah! Damn it! Seriously, dude. I wish I saw this dude right here. This was the breakout point at 102. Oh, that's crazy, dude. That hurts. That hurts. Oh well, what are you gonna do? I don't know why I can't trade. Like you can obviously see in the time of sales here, that people are trading incremental shares, like incremental pennies. I don't know why TD doesn't let you do that, because that's kind of important for these, you know, dollar stocks. is to be able to trade like, you know, half pennies and stuff. But whatever, not gonna argue about it. I'm a little bit sad, but what are you gonna do? I don't know. I think this is probably, yeah, that's probably better. Target on this trade, entry at point, you know, $1.02, target of like $1.10, $1.08. Maybe about 5%, 6%, 7%. That would have been a nice trade. I totally missed it because I was looking at shop. So sorry about that. Sorry shop didn't work out. Could have bought puts for 474. Wait a minute. Where did the 474 puts just go? Were they at 475? No way. Were they at 475? What we're looking at? We're looking at 475 puts at 220. Dude, they just went up 50%! What? Oh my gosh! I should have done it. Oh, I should have done it! That's my fault, dude. That's harsh. Alright, well, you know what? I'm learning. What I learned? I learned that I need more day trades. I learned I need to short. I learned that, holy crap, that would have been an amazing trade if I just focused on that one stock. Oh, dude, that's harsh. Yeah, right here, this was at $2.20 or something. Now it's at $3.80. Wow. So if you see it fail VWAP, you should definitely like buy puts or short. That's about a 50% gain. The trade we were doing here is about a 5% gain. If I can find it, yeah, right here. I would still be in this, but I don't know. Like I'm not in this trade, so I don't know what to tell you. Oh man, wow, 2 absolutely phenomenal trades right there. Literally, like those are insane. That is such a good trade. Those are such great trades. Let's see if we can get VXRT over here just so you guys can kind of see where it goes. I think it'll go to 10. And I'll be holding that shit till 10. Bam, right there. Sell, 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 sell. Make 10%. Easy money. Holy crap, what a great trade right there. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Ah, we were so close to that one too. I should have had it up over on the screen over here as one of the 4, but I didn't. It's my fault. That's a really, really phenomenal short right there. We'll see if ADXS looks like it's bouncing a little bit. Usually this is nothing, but sometimes it can be something. Especially after a nice wedge, this could be something. Target on this trade's like 93 cents, so it's like basically 3%. That's not that good, at all. Yeah, never mind. This isn't going anywhere. I'm just gonna filter by volume, do one last run through, and I think we're gonna be done for the day. We had 4 really, really, really phenomenal movers today. And we closed a trade on CX. We did a trade on CCC. I think pre-market, you guys didn't see that, unfortunately. But I think we bought like 10 contracts, 8 contracts, puts on CCC. They closed below dark pool level, which is great. Hopefully this will log me in so that we can actually do any other big trades today, because that would be really nice. Besides that, I think we're good. Well, this will take a sec to load. Dude, I do not want you to show this window at startup. We got screwed over on these guys today. Just totally my fault. Right here? Maybe it was right here. I don't remember. I think it was right here. Yeah, it was right here. Right here, we had to stop out at 210, which I guess worked out well because they went down 46% afterwards, which is kind of insane. But definitely did move. Oh, it's such a good song. So relaxing. It's just like, I love it. Give me this. Give me this. Right here, right now. Come on. What are you doing? Where's my stop? This is too long. There you go. Alright. What is this? Holy crap. Was this the one we were looking at? No way! This is the one we were looking at. Ah! Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, obviously this trade's not a huge trade. Like, you're looking at entry at like 24.2 and a target. I mean, this like 0.8 over 2.5, which is like 3%, which isn't very much, which is probably why I didn't pay attention to this stock. But dude, oh my god, look at this setup. Like, we looked at the setup earlier and it didn't go anywhere because it was a symmetrical wedge that went into another freaking symmetrical wedge. And then it just exploded. This is why you need to have like 10 monitors looking at all the stocks, because you wouldn't look at this originally, but if you leave it up, you can see the wedge again on the second wedge. And then it breaks over the VWAP right here. You see it break over the VWAP, and it just explodes. Target on this trade is usually the height of this, added to the height of this. So give or take, that's about 25.6. So this should go to about 25.6. We could feel this. Yeah. Oh my god. What a great trade. There's so many great trades today. Wow. Oh man, that's very impressive. What a fun day. This has been such an amazing day. Also, the float on this stock is like massive. So that's again why you would kind of not expect too big of a move. 3%, 4%. But you can still make some solid money just trading the pattern, which is dope. I should have probably puts right here, but I didn't. So it was silly. So I don't know. This has been a really nice day. I'm very, very happy with what happened today. This has been awesome. Here's VXRT. Like I said, they went to $1.10. The only reason I know that price target and the reason I have that price target is because that was like the pivot point right here with the green-red reversal set up on the previous high. Pretty basic stuff right there. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. If you think it's gonna keep going up, which actually, I'll tell you what. What you want to look at here is very simple. You just need to look at the daily chart, and you look at the support and resistance level. So basically, all you need to see. So you can see right here, there's a resistance here, and there's a resistance here that it broke through, which is very impressive. Do I think it's gonna go to $1.40? No, I don't think it's gonna go $1.40. If I was still in this trade, but I sell everything I have right here, I'd probably sell 90% of my position right here, put a stop loss at $1.07, and then I would take the height right here, and is it gonna work? I don't know if it's gonna work, but I know the snipping tool works. Snipping tool never fails me. Snipping tool is reliable. Basically, you just want to take this height right here, and you can kind of do some finger math, and you want to kind of add it up, and you put it right here. So like the highest it'll go is probably $1.24 if it keeps on going up, and that's based off like this really, really extended and super obscure ABCD setup. Do I think it's going to hit that? Do I think it's going to do an ABCD setup? Honestly, not really. Just because A's that are based off of like the first 2 or 3 or 5 minutes of market open are usually not very reliable. I think it'll keep going down. If I was in the, yeah, like that's basically that. Not much else to say about that. I just run. Let's see if there's anything on the scanner. And FLSW. Interesting. I've never heard of any of these stocks. So we'll run through these real quick, and then I think we'll be done for the day. Oh, is it gonna do green, red, green? It could totally do a green, red, green right here. If it does, I'll freaking, like, I'll hop this stuff up to 140, 120. What'd I say? I said 124, right? Right up here. Dude, I think it's gonna do it. What's that? I don't know. 350 over 124. It's like 280. I can do 300. It's gotta close like right here. If it doesn't close right here, I'm not touching it. It's got 8 seconds to close right here. Stop loss needs to be very, very, very tight on this trade. Stop loss should be at 1.9. I don't think it's gonna happen. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Okay. With that said, let's go over to Yahoo Finance and let's run through some of these dark pool screeners, and I think it'll be good. city of life, baby. Everything you're talking about feels like yeah. I might bonk some of this AMD put. We'll see. I'll look at that in a sec, but I want to have a shop right here, just in case. And we'll do this later. Yo, these guys are pretty low. I might bonk some Razor. I'm not kidding. I think I'll do like probably a couple thousand. This month. Oh wait, it's the end of the month. Let's see what's this is. It's an ETF, doesn't count. Oh my gosh, that's why all the China stocks are taking a shit. Oh man, look at that. That's awful, dude. What did Trump tweet? Oh my gosh. This is an ETF. ETFs don't count. Come on. What are we doing? FLSW. Franklin Templeton. That's an ETF. ETFs don't count. I might buy calls on flowers pre-Valentine's Day. Like, honestly, like, that's a really good idea. And I think I'm going to do it. And, where's my phone? I just do it on my computer, I guess. I'm just gonna perpetually look up Robinhood's corporate account. I've got calls at $12 right here, and I sold some here, about puts here, sold puts here. This has been a really nice stock for me over the past year and a half. I mean, they've just been phenomenal. Let's see. When's Mother's Day? May. Alright, May. Okay, alright. May. What month is May? That's a pretty hardcore song. March, May, June. Okay, do they have Junes? Yes, they have Junes. Awesome! Alright, where are these guys gonna go? They're probably gonna go to like here. 19. So why don't we get like 16 calls? $1.68 for 16 calls. That's a pretty shit deal. I got these for like, well, I mean, it was a long time ago though, but I mean, those are like $1.08, and they have way more upside. So, why don't I just play Valentine's Day? I don't want to play Mother's Day. When's Valentine's Day? I think it's the 14th, right? All right. What February 21st. As if there was a better option contract for flowers. Yeah, dude. Okay, great. Great. These guys, weekly candlestick. Today's Friday. Closing high. Next week, open at 1576. High is probably 14 to 15.5. It's $1.50, 15.5, 16, $17. They're gonna go to $17. If we buy $15 calls, we'll triple. No, we'll double. No, we'll triple. No, we'll double. Yeah, we'll double. If we buy $16 calls, we'll double. It's not a very good price right there. What's the level 2? Where's the bid? What's the bid? 45 cents. I mean, that's a pretty harsh candle right there. but they should be fine. Last time the 50 crossed the 100 was right here, and it wasn't even upwards. It was, and they still crushed it. Because they always explode in Valentine. Like, it's not even a question. They absolutely crush it every single February because it's Valentine's Day. And 80% of their business comes on 2 days of the year. Like, I don't even know what to tell you. Like, here's Valentine's Day in 2017. Here's Valentine's Day in 2018, right? By the 21st, they freaking explode. Here's Valentine's Day 2017. By the 21st, they explode. Here's Valentine's Day in 2016. By the 21st, they freaking explode. Like, it's not a freaking difficult equation right here. Here's Valentine's Day in 2015. By the 21st, they freaking explode. Here's Valentine's Day in 2014. Oh, okay, 2014 was shit. Oh, wait, no, it wasn't! By the 21st, they freaking explode. They literally went up 550 over 470. 17%, which means the options went up about 60-80%. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what to tell you guys. Here's Valentine's Day in 2013. They exploded! By the 21st, they were up, like, from 50 cents on a $4 stock. I'm pretty sure that's, like, 25%. 12%. Okay, so options are up 25. I mean, alright, look, here, we'll do it again. Here's Valentine's Day in 2012. They still went up, not as much, but they went up. 2012 was probably the hardest year for them because 2008, 2012 were really, really shit for cyclical consumers. 2020 is gonna be freaking hype because it's like the top of the market. Here's Valentine's Day in 2011. Here's Valentine's Day in 2010. Like, guys, I don't know what to tell you. Like, this might have been, let's see, where's 1-30 is right here, and then 2-21 is right here. Yeah, that's freaking still in the money. You're making very, very small percent on that trade, but that's still a green trade. Here's Valentine's Day in 2008. I don't know if that counts, but they went down 2008 because it was 2008. No one bought flowers for their girlfriends, apparently. But 2007, the year before, should have been phenomenal. Oh, wait, that was 2008? No, that was 2009. Yeah, 2009 was probably the hardest year. 2008 was, I guess, pre-crash, and they went by 221. They literally went up like about, 8.5 over 7.6. It's about 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60% on the options. Here's 2007. And what happens at Valentine's Day? They fucking explode. There's an 85, 90, 95% chance these guys are going to go up in the next 3 weeks. The only thing I don't like is this giant red candle. This looks absolutely hideous, and I hate it. I don't know why it looks like this. This is ugly. With that said, if tomorrow's green, they're going to 19. So I'll do a half entry today. I think that's fair. Let's get bids. Oh, the bid went up! Oh, come on. Can I trade, Can I trade, like, increments? Can I do 49? Well, let me do that. What's BP on this account? Okay, BP's fine. GPD, 5-cent increments, below $3. Okay. I'm gonna put in 45 bids and 50 bids. We'll up the 40. We'll leave. That's. I mean, yeah. That's good for a 45 bid. We'll submit that. You guys better not gank my account info. And then we'll do like 2 at 50. Oh, whoa! I didn't want to do that. I wanted another one. Give me another one. We'll do 3 at 5. And GPD. I mean, these guys just fucking always crush it on Valentine's Day. It's like not even a question, you know? I want to see this close above, this stock needs to be above like $16.73 in the next 4 days. If it's not above that, I'm out. So let me write that down so I don't forget. Some kind of love. Alright, shop, not shops, flowers. Honestly, I could wait for the second candle to be green too. But the historical significance of Valentine's Day for these guys is just too big to pass up. And it's phenomenal trade. So we can add to it afterwards if it gets to 1664. And as soon as it hits 1664 by what's Tuesday? I want to hit it by Tuesday. Tuesday is the 4th. And at what strike price? We should add at 16 strike. I think that's pretty fair. That should work well. Do I think they're gonna go to 17.5? I mean, they could. 17.5 is here, and they would have to. I mean, they would have to go if they went to 18.7, which is the next level. That would be. I mean, if they went to 18.6, which is, I mean, they could get to like 18.4. 18.4 minus 17.5 is 90. 0.9 over 0.15 premium. It's about a 6x return. That's a pretty damn good investment. Like, we'll see if we can get filled at 10. We'll do 6 at 10. Yes, see if we can get 8 at 10. And submit that. And we'll do, I think, 2 at 15. And that should put us about a third of our position in the 17.5 strikes. At 30. And that should turn into about $1,000 if it goes to 17.8. Which I think is pretty reasonable. So, let's see, should we do 2? Should we do 3? 45? Well, these are at 15. So we'll start out with 3. I want to get filled at 10. February 21st. Alright, bro, Valentine's Day better hit it. Can you trade this in fractional increments? I don't know. I think that's good. I think we've got 2 open orders on both of these. And that should be fine. Let me make sure that I have everything right before I leave here, because I'm not going to leave here if it's not right. Let me just make sure. Right, okay. 16, 17, 5, and then this is at 10 cents. This is at 45 cents. So this position could double in portfolio allocation. Yeah. It's all I wanna do. All right, what is this? Somebody just bought 10 billion. Wait a minute, how many zeros is that? That's 2.5 million shares by 5, which is 20 million. Someone just bought $20 million worth of this company. I've never heard of them in my life. What is this? Gas. Oh, it's a gas play. Yo, this is fracking. This is some good shit to speculate on right here. What's their dividend? They pay a 24% dividend. What? 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 All right, dude. What the fuck? I'm buying this stock. They pay a 24% dividend. Like, I'm just gonna buy this straight cash. Wait a minute. Let me pull up Webull. Can I even log into Webull on my computer? I don't know if I can. It's about a 50% chance I can't log into Webull. Okay. Apparently I can't log into Webull. Okay, whatever. You know what? It's okay. This looks okay. Okay, wow. Okay, let me get past the fact these guys pay a 21% dividend. And their PE doesn't exist. They don't make any money. What's their financials look like? Are these guys gonna go bankrupt? I don't know. They freaking royally screwed over Q3 earnings. I mean, that's a really big, it's a big L. This is an exponentially growing company. Like, what did they do? What did they do? This looks phenomenal. It's just natural gas. Dude, this is some sketchy industry, but, like, it's straight up money. I've been to, like, natural gas fracking in Colorado. It's huge. And I know that. Alright, let's see. They made $0 for 2 years, then they made $1 billion, and then they made $500 million in the past 12 months, which is really good. How did they make $1 billion? I'm done. See, right here, you want to look for the annual report. Usually if you go to the bottom, it says investor relations somewhere, which it doesn't, which is weird. But you know what, if it's not here, I'll tell you what I'll do. I will go to Google and I will look it up. I want annual report published. I'm pretty sure that's in the future. How is that existing if it's in the future? Don't know, dude. Don't know. You gotta get really good at speed reading if you want to get good at annual report analysis. Once you're starting out, like, it's important that you go slow and you understand what you're reading. And it takes me about a week to read my first couple annual. It took me about a week to read my first couple annual reports, just because they're fucking insanely long. But once you get really, really good at speed reading, and I learned a lot from the world's fastest speed reader, Howard Berg, on how to really, really get good at speed reading. Yeah, like, only after you're good at analyzing annual reports do you get to, like, speed read annual reports while analyzing them while speed reading them. But you can figure out what you need really quickly if you learn how to speed read. And it works so well. But these tables, this is all that really matters. I want to know where this data, income, expenses, assets. These guys look solid. I remember I learned, like, so much reading my first, like, 10 annual reports about, like, fundamental stock analysis, and I was like, holy crap, like, people do that. And it's stuff that, like, you won't learn, like, just, like, trading. Like, you only learn by, like, analyzing the financial reports, and it's really, 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 really interesting in so many different ways. Like, I don't know, like, you just learn so much reading annual reports. It's insane. Yeah, dude, their dividend is insane. What's their payout ratio? Well, I guess since they don't make any money, it's infinity. Yeah. Their enterprise value is twice the market cap, dude. What the fuck? Alright, they make $800 million a year in revenue. Their quarterly revenue growth is 540%. Their gross profit margin... The gross profit's, I don't know, like 8%. Their short ratio is 8! 56% of their short is float! Or their float is short. Dude, where's my phone? I'm buying this stock. Okay. So here's the deal. This stock needs to close above $5 and I'd say 20 cents by the end of the day. If it can close above $5.20, then we should be good to get in deep. Like, we'll do a standard 5% position size, just straight equity, and yeah. All right. Let's see. AM. Oh man, what a great stock. Cause he's too smooth. Yeah. That he uses every time, and he's too smooth. Yeah. These dividends are absolutely insane. Like, literally within a year, you're gonna make back the investment. Assuming they don't absolutely tank because the market's about to crash. So there's obviously some pretty giant risk here. Let's learn a little bit more about what this company freaking does. Equity accounting is usually kind of sketch. Just because they're factoring in market value. But their market value is so much lower than their EV. It's like not even like comparable. It's a 50% discount. What's the book value? Their book value is $7. So, like, if like that's pretty reasonable. Let's look at the balance sheet. Yeah, let's look at the balance sheet. Too smooth. Yeah, and he's got a couple lines that he uses every time, and he's too smooth. Yeah, got it tonight. Dude, I think this is just like $44 million of their own stock shares. $44 million. I think they just own like $45 million of their own stock, and they're counting that as like all their assets. And I think that's how they're paying their dividends, which is insane. But it's also a super dope tax loophole where you don't pay tax. Like, I could talk all day about how the people that are running this company are literally making billions of dollars, or hundreds of millions of dollars. If you look at the top individual holders, if you look at insiders, like, these guys are making $5 million by 5 is just $200 million. Let me do some quick math here. Let's see. 5727980 times 5 times a 20% dividend times 4. This guy is making $22 million a year in dividends, which is taxed much nicer. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. That's a lot, dude. That's very impressive. That's really cool. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. So yeah, they're just sucking money out of this company, and I would love to participate in that if this closes above 520. Got close above 520. But anyway, back to the financials. I want to look mostly at the debt because I don't want these guys to go bankrupt. Basically, I think they just have like $16 million in debt. Left from the start, we knew that this was it. Be now, baby. Be now, baby. These guys get some dope commissions. I mean, half their salary on a year-by-year basis is commission. Yeah. Yeah. which is really, really good for accountability. Like, you want people at the top in the C-suite, especially for public companies, you want them to be paid based off of their performance in the company. And half of their paycheck comes from the performance that they create in the market. So that means that literally, like, they're pissed off at losing money just as every other investor is pissed off at losing money. This is really good stock. Maybe. It's a long annual report, but I'm going to go through it with you guys real quick. There's only a couple things here that really matter, and it all comes down to assets. I want to know what their plants look like. If they have any. Also, again, like, I'm sorry if you can't read this, but, like, dude, you just got to get good at speed reading. You know, it's like skills. I teach it for 90 new clients. I share how to basically, like, I don't have time to go into it, but I did a whole podcast episode on it. So just go look up the Stock Market Secrets podcast and go binge all the episodes. And like, one of the whole episodes is on like speed reading. The gist of it is like, you need to be able to read left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. And then you want to go paragraph by paragraph by paragraph by paragraph by paragraph by paragraph by paragraph. And then the big secret is that instead of actually reading the words in your mind, you just sightsee on the nouns, like who, what, why, when, and how. You just sightsee on like December, notes, statements, effective, reporting, December, statement. And you go paragraph by paragraph, only focusing on the big nouns. Yeah, and so that's how you can go through this really quickly. And you want to use sort of the header of the document, or your finger or your mouse as a pointer when you're going. But here's 10K. I want to see right there, item 12. But you can also learn a little more of the core business by going really quick through the important stuff. Yeah, so here's what matters right here. They're paying, it looks like $60 million a year in interest on their debt. So I'd say conservatively next year it's going to cost them about $100 million to service their debt. Which I think is where, like, basically all the revenue, like their only rev cost that's really, really big is like their debt. How much are they paying in dividends is the question I have. You can tell this really easy. You just want to know how many shares there are. About 4.85 million. Then you multiply that by about $1.02. So 4.85 million times $1.23 times 4 is 2,386,000,000. Okay, so about $2.4 billion a year in dividends. If you look at it on a float by float basis and you ignore like half the shares, you're gonna get 277 million by $1.24. Oh, wait a minute. This is per year. This is 20% per year. My bad. Not 20% per quarter. Yeah, that's my fault. Sorry. So anyway, 44 million times $1.23 is 500, about 600. Yeah, that's much more reasonable. So $600 million a year should probably go towards their dividend if they hold this dividend, which would be literally insane. 277, 340 million. Yeah, you're looking at like a couple $100 million getting paid out for the dividend, about $100 million getting paid out for the interest expenses. And depreciation doesn't matter because it's all paper and it doesn't count, and it literally just lets you keep your money from the government, which is nice. Besides that, like, they're making $1 billion a year. So, I mean, they should probably be able to support a 10% payout ratio. They can just stop losing money. This looks good. This looks good. What's the ex-dividend date? Ex-dividend date is January 30th. Are you for fucking real? That was yesterday. Oh, dude, that is an L. Oh well. Should we start? Alright, we're gonna come back to this in 8 minutes because we gotta finish a couple of the stickers I want to go through, and then we're gonna be done for the day. Because I gotta go. Look. Oh. That's a 500% gain on the puts. Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't like Shopify on Friday, dude. Shopify on Friday just goes berserk every single time. I don't know how they do it. They're amazing. I freaking underestimated them when they... Shopify on Friday, man. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. That's like taking your bank account and multiplying it by 5. Wow. Yeah, I should have bought puts. Alright, takeaway. Next week, Friday, I'm not going to pussy out on Shop. No matter what they do. Because they just go absolutely berserk on Friday. I don't know what makes them do it, but they absolutely crush it every single time. I don't know, man. I would probably get out right now. 500% is pretty damn good, and it looks like the bottoming and reversing. I don't really know. I wouldn't hold the expiration, though. I would probably sell right now. Oh my god. Wow. 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 Wow! That's 500%. Should have done it. I had the day trade too. That was my fault, and I feel so silly because of it. This is a nice head and shoulders setup. Wish I knew that a year ago. This could be an... Oh, wait a minute. This could be an inverted head and shoulder setup if it breaks, like $91.69. I'll put a notification on my phone if it breaks that. You can use the Thinkorswim app and you can set alerts. This is STMP.
All glory and praise to the bad Lord, kill 'em all with love.
Alright, cool. Cool. Besides that, not much else to do. I was gonna buy Nvidia puts, but they're just kind of like 20-30 bucks, kind of expensive. They totally just peaked. They're gonna go to like 198, but it's gonna take like probably a couple of months to get there. And if you want to buy puts on that, I'll check it real quick for you, but I mean they're not gonna be cheap. If you're looking at like June expiration at I mean everything's like 20 bucks. Break even is at like 210 for everything, and it's just a really bad risk reward ratio. It's just like awful. So yeah. Anyway, what's next? FLGB. Franklin Templeton, that doesn't count. NORW. That's an ETF, doesn't count. CZR, this one could be good. Caesars, yeah, these guys are volatile. Especially in this actually looks pretty dope. This could fall to about 10.34, and if it does, you could do, what is it? CZS is the ticker, right? CZR. If you look at, I think like 3-month puts, probably like by 9. I mean, it should go to like 11.33 by June. You can buy $14 puts for 84 cents. You can buy $13 puts. I think $13 puts. Oh, dude, you can buy $12 puts. Yeah, that's not as good, I don't think. Bam! We got filled on the 40-cent flowers. $16 calls. This looks really good. So, like I said, target's 11.40. I'm thinking $13 puts should give us about a 4x, 5x upside by June 19th. If and only if they close below 13.50, because the order was at 13.71. Alexa, 13.71 times 500,000. Yeah, so it's only a $7 million trade, but I think this could be a nice head and shoulder setup. And so you've got like double the upside if it does turn it out to be a head and shoulder setup. And this could be the peak of the head if and only if they close below 13.50. And if that happens, then I think we'll buy, and we will buy hard. So I'm going to put that on a sticky note. I'm going to put it in front of my monitor. I'm going to put it on the webcam because, you know what? I think that's a good place to put things that are important. And we're going to do CZS. June puts at probably 13, right? 13. Maybe 13, maybe 14. I'll look at it tomorrow. It's not a big deal. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, sweet. HYG also is really volatile stock. I know these guys are good. Oh, wait. Never mind. That's not what I thought it was. Yeah, never mind. I thought that was like something else. Dude, I'm pretty sure gold's about to fucking explode. Like, I was in it like 1480 calls, and they've like, oh my god, like the calls on GLD, I would like, oh dude, with the market starts crashing, these things are gonna go up by like a factor of 20, and it's gonna be so good. You can get like 6-month calls for $4 on the GLD ETF. We got like 4 more stocks to go through, then we're done for the day. And they look so good. Let's show you what I mean. I'm telling you, this looks hot. Yeah, so you get like literally $5 calls on this. If it goes to 175, you make a 25x or a 5x return. Like, this is some good shit. I was kind of in right around here at 1480. And when I say 1480, what I mean is the price according to gold price how to work for an actual ounce of gold. You can see they've been doing very, very well, just because when the market crashes, gold explodes. Yeah, this is good shit right here. Get some gold calls, like, you'll be solid. Yeah. You see there was a run-up in 07, like pre-big run-up in 08. So that's the only thing to get worried about here, and so... yeah. This could also head and shoulders. Alright, somebody just bought... what is this? GLD? GILD. Somebody bought about $80 million of this at $63.80. Or they sold $83 million, I don't know. What I do know is this is a hot wedge. That looks really good. Like, literally, like, there's not a better way to, like, have, like, that's probably the best wedge I've ever seen, like, this month. It's maybe on Snapchat. Snapchat wasn't even a freaking good wedge, though. If this stock hits $72, I'm buying calls for 4 months. Maybe 6 months. So I'll create that alert on my phone. $72, damn, like, it's at 64 right now. That's a pretty... The upside here is to about, I mean, it'll go to like $100 probably. Yeah, but it's not gonna be like you could buy it here, but it's not gonna be well established till it gets to $72. So I will create an alert for that, and if it hits $72, I will probably like nut, and then we'll buy the stock, and we'll be good. Alexa, 72 over 64. So it's about 15. I mean, you're giving up 15%, but you're also totally eradicating like your downside by waiting for it to get to that price level. So it's worth it. All right, last one is Flex. I've seen a lot of really great trades on Flex, and I think Foot Locker. Yeah, Foot Locker. Flex and Foot Locker have both been really, really great lately. Just like super volatile, which is exactly what you want. Probably should have bought, like, oh man, what a great stock. Like, I love this stock. I thought it was in my yeah, it's in my watch list. Not signed in. Okay, what happened? Somebody just bought what's that, 500,000? About $6.5 million, or sold $6.5 million at 1324. Yeah, I think they just sold. I think this guy's just peaked out. We'll know by the end of the day, but just based off the technicals, this is a pretty hard resistance, like right here. So I don't know, what does 6-month puts look like? It's like my go-to right now. It's just like, what does 6-month puts look like? FLEX. Boom. Died of waiting. Step the time. Alright, it's about $1.50, $1.77. Where's the stock gonna go? Well, it'll probably go to like, I don't know, $10, $9. Break even at 12 is pretty harsh. And it's tough because there's a VWAT is a MACD crossover, which is usually good. So the calls are like 3/4 the price, which is good. It's a good shit right there. All right, we'll see what it does on Monday. We've got to see what the price closes at for the day. Besides that, guys, I just want to again talk for you just a moment about how absolutely fucking insane this trade was on Shopify. The 485, was it 485 or was it was right here? What's right here? 475. The 475 puts went from $2 to $9 today, and I could not, like, literally that's insane. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, I just want to try Shopify every single Friday from now on, because like it just is been working so well. I love it. I love it. This market's amazing. This is literally the best day ever. So with that said, guys, hope we got a ton of value out of trades today, and go out there, apply it, absolutely crush it. Last thing we were gonna talk about was AM. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for AM to close. They close about 5:20. I want to see it close about 5:20. Here's the ticker. If they close about 5:20, we'll probably do like a half position, and then I'll look more at fundamentals later. I think we looked through some fundamentals pretty damn well so far. The only other big thing to see here is that HG just got bought twice. So you're looking not only at 1 million shares now, but actually 1.6 million shares, which means that somebody just bought $150,000 worth of HYG. Or sold 150,000. Somebody just bought or sold 150 million shares of HYG. And that just came through. But like I said, this is an ETF. So, like, I mean, like, I don't know what to tell you. It's an ETF. Like, there's not much movement that's going to happen here. So, you've got to have hundreds of millions of shares, hundreds of millions of dollars, to make a lot of money here. And if you have hundreds of millions of dollars, then sure, you can make a lot of money. I'm not starting out with hundreds of millions of dollars. And so for like me, like a $5 move on an $87 stock, I mean, it's like 5%. Like, dude, I can make that in a day. Like, what? Come on. Like, yeah. Anyway, cool stuff, guys. Go out there, apply it, absolutely crush it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Well, not tomorrow, because tomorrow's Saturday, but I'll be filming tomorrow. I got all the giant camera shit over there. It's so heavy, like I said, but yeah.